Volkswagen ID.EVO concept car unveiled in Shanghai. New design and smart technology raise expectations. Volkswagen recently unveiled its first fully connected, fully electric full-size SUV concept car designed specifically for the Chinese market. The car is called ID.EVO. The concept car will make its world premiere in Shanghai on April 22 and will be meticulously produced by Volkswagen Anhui. ID.EVO not only symbolizes the continuous evolution of the Volkswagen brand, the EVO in its name represents evolution, and also heralds an important milestone in the brand's new energy field. A concept car specially developed for Chinese consumers, ID.EVO has a bold and avant-garde design that perfectly continues the design style of ID. Looking at the design outline, the sidelines of ID.EVOs are smooth and dynamic, and the three-stage waist design gives the body a richer sense of layering. The upper line extends smoothly from the headlights to the taillights, while the lower waistline offers a sharp shape, while the layering is also clearly noticeable in the rear design. The slightly downward sloping roofline, combined with the hidden A-B pillars, creates the feeling of running forward. The concave design under the door further emphasizes the three-dimensional feeling of the body and makes the entire side look fuller. In terms of front-end design, the ID.EVO is more radical and three-dimensional. The closed front face, combined with the thin headlights, creates a strong visual effect and creates extraordinary acceleration. On the side of the vehicle, large-sized leaf-style rims are used, which further enhance the sporty aura of the vehicle. While the tail shape reflects the front face, the tail group highlights the headlight group, creating a harmonious visual effect. In addition to its striking dynamic appearance, the ID.EVO concept car will also be equipped with a number of advanced smart technologies that will fully reveal digital and intelligent driving functions. The application of these innovative technologies will undoubtedly provide users with a more comfortable and intelligent driving experience. Volkswagen's EVO concept car, in addition to demonstrating the brand's innovative power in the new energy field, also offers Chinese consumers more diverse options. As the global automotive industry continues to change, Volkswagen is leading the development trend of new energy vehicles with its unique perspective and forward-looking design.